Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. This may be what your person feels towards you, or what is the future of this connection, the card for your relationship, guys. So, we will start the reading with the cards for your general energies, and I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, Taurus. So, if you are interested, you can watch that reading. So, let's see what are these cards here. We have Queen of Wands, High Priestess, and Seven of Swords. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, this relationship, you are someone really honest, uh, dedicated to whatever you do, and today in your circumstances, you are really cheerful and confident the way things are going in your career or the way your situation is in this relationship. You are happy and you feel that you can handle any circumstances, and you have that determination and willpower, and you are someone really skilled and talented. Again, that is going to help you today, help you in your situation today. You're making the right choices, you're making the right efforts, something taking you towards success and prosperity. And you are a very intelligent person, you are experienced, knowledgeable, and that is the reason you are making the right choices. Maybe in this relationship, that may be the case. Um, you are dedicated to this relationship, honest with this person, and you see this person as someone loving and caring. But this person you are in relationship with, maybe the way they are, you are very dedicated and devoted, but they are not reciprocating that level of commitment in this relationship. They just want to escape, or they just want to, what to say, avoid certain responsibilities, and they are not telling you something. Maybe they are not revealing something to you. They may have something on their mind, they are thinking about something, but they are not telling you. And it is quite irritating for you, because you love them and you are very friendly towards this person, but maybe they do not want to affect this relationship. They love you, but they cannot reveal these secrets, because these secrets are something that may affect this relationship. So that is the reason they are not telling you something. And they are not like you. They are the way they deal with the circumstances may be something very different, and they are not responsible or devoted like you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Four of Wands in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it is a very positive card. And with this card, I can say that definitely in your situation, you are going to get married, or things are taking a positive turn in your life today. So, whatever you were hoping for, all that is coming true today. And you are going to celebrate something, maybe celebrate this love, celebrate it with engagement or marriage. So, definitely a good news coming your way, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. For your career circumstances, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Chariot in reverse. So, with this card, maybe in your circumstances, there may be certain delays or suspension, something may not go right. Maybe there may be people opposing you because they are quite jealous of you. So you need to be more careful. You need to be more careful with when you are collaborating your business with other people. So you need to first think clearly whether it will work out, then you can go for it, Taurus. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co-create. So in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs, and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in or our mind just barges in telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful, and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So, with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind, and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today, and you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.